Friends, today again you are welcome in online class, dear students. In previous chapter we have read about the chapter number 6, that is, and the name of the chapter is tissue. So that particular day in previous class we have discussed all kinds of the plants tissue, meristematic tissue, as well as we have also discussed the last topic. The previous class was the animal tissue, squamous we have discussed, columnar we have discussed, and ciliated epithelium we have discussed. Today, dear students, in animal tissue we have to discuss so many topics. So the topic is the animal tissue. Animal tissue. In animal tissue, dear students, there is a subtopic, that is the connective tissue. And what are the types of connective tissue, and blood is also a kind of connective tissue. We have to read blood, bones, and the muscles. So these are all the subtopics we have to discuss today in online class. So dear students, in the connective tissue, why its name is connective tissue? The reason is that connective tissue connect all type of the tissue, and they link each and every cells as well as the different tissue, and support the tissue and organs. Tissue और organ को ये support करता है. Connective tissue was discovered by Johannes Peter Muller in 1830 AD. So dear students, when we say about the connective tissue, that it connects a different parts and the organ and tissues and link them as well as support also. So the connective tissue is broadly divided into two types. The first is the loose connective tissue and second is the dense connective tissue. So the loose connective tissue, its fiber, उसमें होता क्या है, उसका जो fibers होता है, its fibers are loosely arranged in a semi-fluid ground substance. They are also present into them. And dear students, the loose connective tissue is broadly divided into subtopics. The areolar, adipose. So areolar tissue, where it is found? Areolar tissue is found into beneath the skin. Skin के नीचे पाई जाती है. And support framework. What the role of that is? The areolar tissue. It supports and work as a framework. Frame की तरह काम करता है. For किसके लिए? Epithelium. You have read epithelium tissue. And it has also the fibroblast. And fibroblast, what does it do? That secretes the fibers. And second, it has also the macrophages and it has the mast cells. Fibroblasts, microphages and the mast cell. Mast cell इसमें होता है. तो macrophages क्या है dear students? ऐसे तो फाइबर का काम होता है, फाइब्रोब्लास्ट का फाइबर्स का सिक्रेशन करना होता है. एंड अनदर टॉपिक इज दैट द मैक्रोफेग्स आल्सो एक्ट्स आई लाइक द phagocytes. The phago means to eat and cytes means cells. That these kind of the macrophages which destroy the bacteria and viruses. What are the pathogens that comes within our body, insert in our body? So these are destroyed. Another is the mast cell. Mast cells are responsible for fighting against the allergical. It is also called the allergical cell that fight against the allergy. So it is kind of the WBC, macrophages. So dear student, another is the dense connective tissue. This is made of the fibers and fibroblast. इसका orientation, that is the regular and irregular. Regular is this one and irregular pattern is this one. So they are found is within the skin, bone and cartilage. So what another topic is that blood. Blood is also a connective tissue, and the blood has the different components, the plasma and the erythrocytes, leukocytes. So blood is the most important connective tissue, dear students, and it has the RBC and WBC, and the RBC and WBC have different function to do. And the bone, muscles. Bone is also important connective tissue, that it also connects and links the different organs. And the muscles, you know very well, the muscles has also most important role to play, that it also muscles connects to the bones and we have the contractility in our body. So these are the topics, dear students. Here is the particular areolar tissue. This is the macrophages and these are the organ of the body, and the fibroblast and this is the collagen fibers, and this is the mast cells. So dear students, we will read these all things one by one, and in the next video we will listen and watch these all the lectures. Thank you. Have a nice day.